Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create Bates numbering in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This feature is incredibly useful for legal professionals, businesses, and anyone who needs to organize and track multiple documents by assigning unique identification numbers to each page. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to create Bates numbering in your fillable PDF form. This opens your document and prepares it for editing. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on Edit. This action takes you into the editing mode where you can access various document modification tools. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on More. This will expand additional options that aren't immediately visible in the standard editing view. From the expanded menu, select Bates numbering, then click Add. A dialog box will appear on your screen. Click OK to proceed with adding Bates numbering to your document. This confirms that you're ready to customize the numbering settings. Next, navigate to the Font section, click the drop-down menu beside Name, and select your preferred font style. The font you choose will determine how the Bates numbers appear on your document. After selecting the font, navigate to Size and click the drop-down menu beside it to select your preferred font size. This ensures the numbers are clearly visible, but not overly prominent. You can also customize the text color by clicking the color picker beside the font size option, then select your preferred font color. This is particularly helpful if you want the Bates numbers to match your branding or document theme. Now navigate to Appearance options. Here you'll see several placement choices such as left header text, center header text, left footer text, center footer text, or right footer text. Click on your preferred option to select where you want the Bates numbers to appear on each page. This flexibility allows you to position the numbering exactly where it makes the most sense for your document layout. Once you've selected the position, click Insert Bates Number. This action opens up the numbering configuration settings. Navigate to Number of Digits and type your preferred number of digits, or use the up and down arrow to adjust. The number of digits determines how many zeros will precede your Bates numbers, which is important for maintaining consistent formatting across large document sets. Next, set the starting number by typing in the field or using the up and down arrow menu beside Start Number. For example, you might start with 1 if this is the first document in your series. Then navigate to Prefix and type your preferred prefix. For example, you could use RE to indicate these are related to a specific case or project. Click OK to confirm your Bates numbering settings. You'll see another dialog box appear, so click OK again to apply the changes. Then click OK one more time to finalize everything. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all the Bates numbering you've just added to your fillable PDF form. Your document now has professional sequential numbering that makes it easy to reference and organize. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.